Hello, my name is Nirbhay and I'm here to teach you Adobe Illustrator for fashion design. So in today's video I am going to teach you that how to create a stripe with a very minimal error. Sometimes you will see that while creating a stripe you will see white lines in between, or maybe your rectangular patterns get overlapped to each other, or you have a space in between all the rectangles, so that when you create a pattern you have a white space in between. So I'm going to show you example. I'm going to create a stripe, something like which is there in my screen right now. So let's start. I'm going to rotate this shirt to make the stripes horizontal, and then I'm going to draw rectangles over this image. So I'll take a rectangle tool from here, and then I'll draw a rectangle like this. I'll take the eyedropper tool, and then I'll click on the color which is already there in the shirt. And then as you know that you have a white rectangular behind it, so I'm going to make the white rectangle like this, and I'm going to fill white in this, and same way I'm going to copy it like this. So we already have three rectangles like this, but we also have a blue background over here. So I'm just going to drag this rectangle, and I'm going to make this wider like this, and I'm taking the eyedropper tool, and I'll click on this shirt color. So I think one repeat is ready. I'm going to show you an example how to use align tool and make this rectangle so that you will have no error. So for example, I'm going to change this white rectangular into yellow for now, and then I'm going to give some space like this, and like this, and like this, and I'm going to increase the height like this. I'm just going to increase the height, random height, so that you will be able to uh, know how align tool works. So I'm going to enlarge this third rectangle. So first thing you have to do is to open align from the window. Here is our align toolbox. In default position, when you open a align tool, it will look something like this, but to have a full view you have to click here, and then you have to click on show option. So when you click on show option, you will have this extra tools over here. So the first thing you have to do is to take the direct selection tool, and then select the top nodes of all the rectangles, and then you have to click on this vertical align tool. Make sure that here in this setting you have a selection which is aligned to selection. If it is aligned to artboard, your rectangle will be aligned, all the nodes will be aligned to the top of the page. So the next step, I'm going to select the bottom area of all these rectangles, and then click on the bottom align tool this way. Now the next stage is to remove all the negative space between these. So for that you have to select the direct selection tool. You have to select everything, drag and select everything like this, and then you need to click on the first rectangle. When you click on first rectangle, you will see a blue shaded stroke kind of thing around this first rectangle, and then you have to click on this horizontal distribute space. So when you click on this horizontal distribute space, what will happen that it will have zero negative space, and it will not be even overlap. So this way we can make our pattern perfectly. So I'm just going to change the yellow color to the white, and then I'm going to drag everything into the swatch box. So our pattern is already created here. I'm going to show you how our pattern will look like when it is already in a shirt. Here it is. I hope you like my video, and I request you to kindly like, share and subscribe so that whenever I upload a new video you will get a notification and you will be updated with the new tips and tricks. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.